July 2025. Headed south on Georgia Highway 11 from Georgia 316 University Parkway. Bethlehem is 1 mile, Monroe is 11 miles. It's about 10 after 8, about 75 degrees, going to about 90. It's showing, partly cloudy, but then clearing off. It's not showing any rain the next couple of days, but that doesn't mean anything. We're on our way to pick up the title for that 98 van. He called me back yesterday and told me he found the title, so we're going down to Lithonia, Rockdale County, to pick up that title. We have not heard back from the 2019 van yet. I'm going to call him again after I get this title and head back. We're going to try to take a look at it today and drive it if we can. We're going to try to get the plugs and plug wires on the 98 van, and also plan on going to the county and getting the tag. We should have everything we need now. It's insurance, title, tag. That way we get tires on it, get the plugs and plug wires on it. We'll get to drive it and find out how good it is. If we end up buying it, we're probably going to sell both of these other vans. Still plan on selling both of the ZJ Jeeps as well. The 95 Limited 5.2 liter and the 98 5.9 liter Limited. Hopefully we'll get enough out of all four vehicles to just about pay off the 2019. At least that's our plan. This will be another test drive of the driver's ball joint replacement. The van's doing good. We need to get shocks on the back of this one, and I think that's all this one's going to need. That 2019, we will go ahead and have some decent tires, not new tires, but decent tires on it. We'll go ahead and get trim rings and center caps for it, where it'll dress it up, make it look nice, because we're going to ask top dollar for it. Paint that bumper, the grill, clean up those seats, put them back in it, and get the air conditioning fixed. That van should bring about $8,000. It's a nice van. You're a great camper van. Somebody can convert it whatever way they want to. You can't ever tell. That one may impress us so much, and if this one's doing real good, we might just try to sell the 2019. He's wanting 16.5 or best offer. side was upgraded. It looked like the bulkhead was upgraded. But the windows were tinted darker, so I couldn't really tell. Hopefully he'll call us back and we'll be able to take a look at it this afternoon. If we have to put off the tag and plugs and plug wires on this one until Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, we'll do that if we get to look at that 2019. We'll have to call the bank. Probably won't be able to get the money till Monday. Outskirts of Monroe shortly. We're not going to be going through Monroe. We're going to take US 78 east to Loganville and then take 20 from Loganville over to Pleasant Hill to his place. Videoed 138 the other day from up here over to Conyers, but we didn't get this stretch from 316 over to 138, so we'll have that today. Sunglasses, but I don't guess we'll need them with the clouds. But we do have another set. It's the set we got with the I've been there last week with the eye surgery. We got a set for each eye. So we got one set that we hadn't started using yet. Cataract surgery. And as a quick update, that's gone. I couldn't ask it for to be any better. 20/20 vision with no reading glasses. The doctors. Yeah, we did my right eye for distance and my left eye for close up on those lenses. He said normally they would not do that, but I already had some of that going on, so my brain should be able to take care of it, make it work it out, and it has. Been able to interpolate or whatever the correct, that sounds like a good definition or good description of it to me. So interpolate between the two and come up with a good vision for both far and near. Okay, Bowl Springs Road will be coming in from the right up here. We'll take you over through the Bowl Springs, Georgia 81. We could have gone that way, but I just didn't want to go that way today. Our gas gauge is showing below empty, but we've got 244 miles on it since we filled up, so we know we've got another 100 miles before we got to worry about it. There's Bowl Springs Road to the right. We'll take you over to Bowl Springs. Yeah, we had the instrument cluster rebuilt on this one, or repaired. I think this is either I think it's probably the sending unit in our problem. I think our problem with the fuel gauge is the sending unit in the fuel tank. And it is a replacement fuel tank. It's a fuel pump. It's the second one that this is the third one. We replaced it once before this time. We'll be turning this one off when we get to 78. We may go ahead and get one of 78, but if we do, it will be with the Osmo Action 5. We're recording this with the Samsung S22 Ultra. And pretty much everything we record is at 16:9 aspect ratio, 1920 by 1080 resolution, full HD, 30 frames a second. Is this where we need to turn? I think we missed it last time. I don't know. I don't think this is right. Okay, I guess it is. Road was where we wanted to turn instead of this one, but it worked out. Yeah, see they're clearing out through there, doing something out there. Well, what are we doing? Okay, Loganville, we need to get in the left-hand lane. They've done a loop here, so we need to get over to go to Logan, Vegas. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off, and this will be a wrap. Saturday, the 25th of July, 2025, quarter till 1, U.S. Highway 29 between Arcade and Athens. GSP, State Patrol, just lit out after somebody. I don't know if we'll catch up to him or not. Doing a short about doing a tune-up on the 98 pan, and we're also going to be doing a longer horizontal. But if we catch up with the State Patrol up here, we'll show that. Like I said, this section of 129 between 85 and here we go, between 85 and Athens, you've got people all. You've got 5 different municipalities. You've got Jefferson, you've got Jackson County, you've got Arcade, you've got the GSP, you've got Athens Clark. And I have seen 3 of them on this stretch of road at one time going, depending, not in the same place, but have seen 3 of them scattered up and down here same time. So we got like that, we will cut the state patrol's been on there on this stretch pretty hard the last couple of days. I think they're on a slowdown, some kind of special event slowdown, summer slowdown or something other. But anyway, we'll cut this one off now. We'll add the longer horizontal tune-up on the 98 5.7 Vortec motor, which could be applicable to a slew of other different motors. And then we'll get it uploaded. We're gonna, after we get it done. And look, there's another law right there, sitting over there. That'd be Jackson County. So that's two right here, within a couple of miles. You probably got Athens Clark sitting up here today too, Saturday afternoon. Athens Clark's probably sitting up here as well. It's a wonder Arcade wasn't back there.